Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. I'm sure many of you saw my recent unboxing video of the Sony A7R IV and Sony 24-70f, a 2.8 G master lens that I received from Lens Pro 2 Go. Now, whenever I get a new camera, the first thing I do is set it up for back button focusing. If you don't already do back button focusing, I encourage you to do so. First of all the cool kids are doing it, but more importantly, it really will help you with your photography. I've written an article explaining why you should be doing back button focusing. In the description below this video will be a link to that article. Be sure to check it out. Now, as far as the Sony A7R IV is concerned, it already does focus straight out of the box with a back button. On the back is an AF-on button. And when you get this camera brand new, right out of the box, it will focus with that button, but it also will focus with the shutter button. And what we want to do is remove that functionality. We don't want the camera to try to achieve focus when we either have to press the shutter or fully depress the shutter. We only want to focus with that back AF-on button. Now, on the Sony, it's super easy to do. What you need to do is just go to the menu, and you want to be in the far left #1 camera menu, and you want to scroll to page 6. At the very bottom of page 6, you'll see AF with shutter. By default, that will be on. Simply turn it off. When that is off, your camera will no longer try to focus with the shutter button. And that's what we want. We want to only focus when we press that back AF-on button. And again, if you're not doing it, you really should. Check out my article. Again, it's listed in the description below this video. Also, I'd like to thank Lens Pro 2 Go for loaning me this equipment so I could do these videos. In the very near future, you'll see new videos both on the camera and the lens. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do, and remember to click that little bell so you get updated when I post a new video. Ultimately, I'll have real-world reviews on both the camera and the lens, so look forward to that very soon. Also, in the description below the video, I'll have a link to Lens Pro 2 Go, and I have a discount code for them as well, so you could save some money whenever you rent anything from them. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.